Next, E and V, our environment. First question, what do you mean by artificial ecosystem? Artificial ecosystem means artificial, you can see man-made, which is made by man. Ecosystem, which is made by man. Any example? Farm or aquarium. Which of the following belongs to first trophic level? Grasshopper, rose plant, cockroach, vulture, neem plant. Rose plant, neem plant. These two are the first trophic level, right? Producer. Why did the United Nations act to control the production of CFC used in refrigerator? Because this CFC, chlorofluorocarbon, what does it do? It depletes the ozone layer. It reduces the ozone layer. Next, list two items which can be easily recycled, but we generally throw them in dustbin. Cans, paper. Next question. A lake has been polluted by sewage. On comparison with sample of unpolluted water, the water in the lake is found to have increased content of some component. Identify these component. What does it increase? It increases nitrogenous component. Okay. Sixth one, natural water bodies are not regularly cleaned, whereas an aquarium needs regular cleaning. Why? An aquarium, because it is man-made, right? So it requires regular cleaning. It does not have self-regulating mechanism. What decomposes? What will be the consequence if decomposers are completely eradicated from the ecosystem? Give justification in support of your answer. Decomposers are microorganisms which feed on dead or decaying organic matter. They break down the remains of dead animals and plants. They are removed. What will happen? Recycling of the nutrition will stop. Because of that, the balance of ecosystem will be lost. Yes. Now, seventh one. The existence of decomposers is essential in a biosphere. This is same as the second one. Okay. Next is flow of the energy in food chain is unidirectional, right? Because the solar energy is captured by the plant, right? Autotrophs. And it is converted into chemical energy, right? And we do not revert it into again solar energy. Okay. So it is going in the one direction from autotrophs to herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Correct the explanation given for the terms if wrong. Biomagnification, decrease of chemicals at successive trophic level of food chain. No, not decrease, increase. Okay. Ecosystem, interaction between biotic component of the environment. Interaction between biotic and abiotic. Both aquarium, artificial ecosystem. Next, ninth one. Our food grains such as wheat, rice, vegetable and fruits and even meats are found to contain various amounts of pesticide residues. State the reason to explain how and why it happens. Why does this happen? Because large numbers of what pesticide chemicals are sprayed on crops. Why does they are sprayed? To protect our crops from diseases and from pests. Some of these are what? Washed into the soil. Okay. That will enter in the water body. Some in the soil, some in the water body. From soil, we have the crops, we plant the crops, and we get so wheat and grains will contain that, and the animals, right? They will eat it, and will eat animal, and also the crops. So the chemical content of the pesticides, right, will increase. And also in the water bodies, there are fishes, aquatic organisms which we eat. So from there also pesticide content will increase. So from there only we are getting the pesticide residues. Okay. Because these chemicals, they are not decomposed. Name the radiation observed by ozone layer. Ultraviolet. Okay. Ultraviolet radiations. Okay, then give any one cause of depletion of ozone layer. CFCs. It will lead to skin cancers. Name a disease likely to be caused due to depletion, skin cancer. What are decomposer? What will be the consequence of their absence in an ecosystem? This is same question. Okay. Explain some harmful effects of our agricultural practices on the environment. What are the harmful effects? Soil degradation, then there will be pollution, then water shortage, right? Soil degradation, pollution, water shortage, biomagnification, deforestation. Okay, any doubt? So all the papers are discussed. In the next class, there will be doubt clearance. Okay, you can ask any doubt. I'll clear it. Okay, then bye bye.